Welcome back to Nightmare Garage. Today I am putting a Rack and Pinion in Nightmare. Nightmare is the 1981 Camaro. The kit that I bought is from TRZ Motersports. It is a very nice kit and does require some cutting and welding. So I'm going to kind of show you guys how I'm going to do that. And this is the first time for me installing one of these as well. So I'm going to be learning right with you. So first order of operation is going to be getting all this old stuff pulled out. You can see I had some sketchy steering going on here, and we still did 145 in the quarter. Not something maybe I should be proud of, but I kind of am. So basically you got to cut out the center of the K-member and tube it out, and all the other stuff can go bye-bye. So I'm going to get started yanking all that stuff apart, and we'll see where this goes. I did have this steering box fall off at one point, so that's probably why it's so stinking tight. I did not want to deal with that crap again because it was scary. Nah. Now I'm going to pull this guy off right here. Okay. And the steering column. There we go. There's all my old steering. Probably weighs right around 50 pounds. So first thing we're going to do here is cut out the center. That blade is fucked up. Bend her back around. Let her cool off for a minute here. There we go. Ugh. That's gross. There we go. Perfect. So now we got the center chopped out. I got to clean up all these edges, and then we're going to have to run a plate across those two. And then we're going to run a bar across as well. So now I'm moving on to making these plates. So I cut some cardboard templates, and I'm going to kind of line these up and draw them out and cut them out real quick. So I got the plates cut out, so now I'm just going to be burning them in and pack them already. Should be pretty quick here. I'm just using a MIG welder. I could take them in, but it doesn't really matter for this, so I'm just going to MIG them. It's easier. Got some pretty decent dimes up on there. That'll do. Should hold. Got a little boogery on that side, but that's okay. So next we just got to put in a little crossbar with some roll cage tubing. I'm going to find some and cut it up and throw it in. Alright, so we got all that stuff welded in, the crossbar and all. The next thing you want to do for this kit is you're going to want to drill out your spindles. They require a 1/2-inch drill bit, just right here and there for your bump steer kit. So I don't really got any WD-40, so I'm just going to use some whatever jive this is, and this hopefully will be okay. There. That. Watch out! You gotta watch out for these Milwaukee's. They'll twist your nuts off. Oh gosh! There we go. Just gotta take these guys, and we're going to suspend the bump steer kit across to kind of position it where we want it. We're going to mount it as high up as we can go while still being in line with the A-arms. Hopefully this makes everything less sketchy for next year.
I would imagine so.
With it just flopping around like it did that one time when Josh was in there, he jumps in the car and he's turning the wheel and he's like, "What's that clunking noise?" The steering box is just flopping around like a walleye out of water. It's like, ooh, that could have ended really, really badly. So yeah, this needs to get a hole drilled right about here, and then probably something up here somewhere. Ish. Okay. I'm gonna slice your fingers open on that. It's the second time. Ow. Pinch my fingers. See, I'm thinking probably want to come up with this just a little bit more. I think our hole needs to be right about here. Ish. So I think I'm going to take a death wheel and cut it about there, here, down a little bit that way. It's kind of right across like that. And then, yeah, we'll kind of weld. Probably want to keep this as straight as possible with the wheels. Yeah, I do think it needs to go up a little bit more. Yes, right now let's get a marker, mark it out, and then I'll cut something. Cut a little hole in this frame and kind of set it back in, extend these so everything sits right. And then we'll start welding stuff from there. So here we go. Need some safety glasses. Now I just need a hammer. Hammer. Now I need a different hammer. Oh, we had a 1/2-inch bit the whole time. I didn't have to spend like $20 at the Paymore. Dude, that place just robs you. It's convenient, but it robs you.
Sometimes hardware, they got cheap hardware there.
Hardware is good, yes. Everything else, no. Even like a bag of chips. I think that bag of chips was like $5. Like it was $5.26 or something. I was like, damn! go. And the next thing we need to do is probably block this guy up on some blocks, like a jack stand or something.
Oh, yeah.
Like kind of level them out, set them perfect, and then just kind of work around them. What we got here is we got our bracket that they sent with it. Everything's kind of hooked up. And we're setting it as level as possible and welding it in. So we got this other brace welded in as well. So we're just going to burn this sucker in real quick. Throw a little clasp around it like shown in the pictures. Throw a little clasp around it, and we're going to start working on the steering. Start figuring out where that steering needs to go, where holes need to be cut. So what you're going to want to do after you get that all welded in is you're going to want to weld in, or cut and tack. You want to cut a hole. Oops, there goes my light bulb. You're going to want to cut a hole in your K-member, and on the back side as well, and we mounted up our little brace right here. Then we kind of measured out how much we needed, clearanced everything. So, Adam's going to turn the wheel, and then we're going to see if we have any clearance issues, really. So, go ahead when you're ready, Adam.
Yeah, hang on, let me get the wheel on here. Somehow.
Wow, what's going on?
Alright. It's hitting something. Because it's going, it's nice and easy. And then we got hard spot, hard spot, hard spot.
And go back.
Right
Stop.
there. Right in here, it's hard.
So,
like it's right there. It's hitting something or binding somewhere.
yeah, I see it. Okay. Go until it's hard again.
Right there.
Okay.
And then right here.
Yep. Okay. So we got a little bit of a knuckle problem right here. It's hitting there. Our best bet is probably just going to be to take a grinder and grind this out, because we already have this tacked in. So yeah, we're kind of stuck with where that's at. So we're going to go ahead and grind that sucker out real quick, and then it should be gold. Alright, about to start welding these suckers in. After that, we'll be golden. I'll find myself down here. What was that?
The jack stands in the back, probably?
That's fucking terrifying.
Whoops!
Yeah. Almost nailed in all his glass, too. Wish I wouldn't have stepped on those bulbs. Okay, go ahead and turn the wheel a little bit. That was a little bit much. You can go back. Perfect. Man, it's hard to... Yeah, go ahead and turn a little more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. Perfect.
Is it all done?
Yeah. Okay. Let all that cool down for a little bit. Christen it with some dew. Alright, Adam, do you want to go ahead and just kind of give her a quick turn and stuff? Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. So we haven't adjusted our bump steer stuff, but all our fabrication's done. This is how you install it. It's honestly pretty easy. I would definitely recommend this kit to anybody. I mean, so long as it works good for me in the summer, which I assume it will. But yeah. So that was installing the TRZ Motersports Rack and Pinion and my Camaro. And if you guys want to continue to watch stuff, I got some suspension stuff that's going to be coming out in about a week or two. And we got Melanie's car is almost up and running. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. We're going to build some badass race cars in the future. I'll see you guys later.